Hello, good morning. For this time, kakantahan ko kayo. Let me go down, down, down in history as another blood-bought, faithful member of the family. And if they will forget my name, yeah, it's fine with me. I'm living for the world to see, nobody but Jesus. I'm living for the world to see, nobody but Jesus. Di ba kayo nagalit? Di ba kayo nairita? Sintonado ano? Pero, one day, I know, kapag ka nandun na tayo sa kingdom niya, nasa glorified bodies na tayo, nandun na tayo sa Kanya, sa kaharian niya, wala po kasi tayong gagawin doon, kundi i-worship siya, kantahan siya, and I know that time, maganda ng boses ko, pwede na akong mag-concert, puro worship songs. Diba? Looking forward po ako doon, kaya dapat looking forward tayo lagi sa ganon, sa Kanyang kingdom. Kasi perfect na lahat. Wala nang sakit at wala nang sintunado. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is May from Glorious Maranatha Channel. Like, share, and subscribe na po. All glory to God.